guys, it's Miss Mal at the Jonesboro Public Library here today at Mootown Sunflower Fields, and I have a really fun book for you today. It's called Nature by the British Museum. It's all about nature and has beautiful pictures, so let's read it together, okay? Bird. We have a little chocolate bird. Squirrel. Trees in a beautiful field. Sunflower. Can you see sunflowers? Oh wait, they're everywhere. Grasshopper. Clouds. A shell. Snow. It's not time for snow though. Grapes. The sun. Bee. If you look closely at our sunflower friends, you might see a bee. Acorn. Blossoms. That's another word for flowers. Ocean. Crab. You see his pinchers? Rose. Rain. Duck. What sound does the duck make? Quack. Fish. Tulips. Sky. A peach. I love peaches. River. Butterfly. Leaves. And then here's a list of all the things we saw in our beautiful book. And at the end of our story, we say the end. Thanks for reading the book with me, my friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.